familiar. Große Familie bedeutet huge family or big family. Große Familie. So, can you, anybody wants to repeat with me? Anyone? I think Prateek Dubey. Prateek Dubey, please repeat with me. Please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, who's this?
Vasundhara.
Okay, hi Vasundhara. Please go
Hello,
ahead.
ma'am.
I'll first I'll describe and then you repeat. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
First of all, familiar. Likewise,
Familiar.
in Hindi we say miliye. We say that
Millier.
right? Miliye, आइए,
Millier.
बैठिए, मिलिए. We say that, okay? But in
Yes.
German, how do we pronounce familiar? आइए, बैठिए, familiar. आइए, बैठिए, familiar.
Millier.
So, मिलिए, familiar. Is it clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is große Familie? What is große Familie meaning? Means big family, huge family. Here we are describing about the big families. Likewise, we have in India big families, joint families. So that way. Okay, große Familie.
Grocer familiar.
What is the meaning of große Familie?
Big family.
Right. Meine Familie ist sehr groß.
Meine Familie ist sehr groß.
Okay, what is the meaning of this?
My family is very good.
Very
Big, very big.
big. Very good. So, meine Familie ist sehr groß. My family is very big.
Good.
Ich habe means I have. So
Have.
now you know how to say. Likewise, I want to say ich habe Kuli. Ich habe pen. Matlab I have pen. Ich habe Wasserflasche. I have water bottle. So how you now you can say ich habe. Matlab I have. Okay. So if someone will ask you, haben Sie Schwester? You can say ich habe zwei Schwestern. Plural. Zwei Schwestern.
Ich habe zwei Schwestern,
Einen Bruder.
einen Bruder,
Drei Tanten.
drei Tanten,
Einen Onkel.
einen Onkel
Okay. Und sechs Cousine. Sechs Cousine.
und sechs Cousinen.
Meine Großeltern
Meine Großeltern
leben mit uns.
leben mit uns.
Or you can auch sagen wohnen. Wohnen und leben means to live. Okay?
Ma'am, what's Bruder?
Brother.
Brother. Okay.
Ich habe zwei Schwestern means I have two sisters. Two sisters. Plural of sister. Einen Bruder means one brother. Drei Tanten, three aunties. Like in German, there is no chachis, buas, and anything like that. So, Tanten, aunties. Einen Onkel, sechs Cousine. Meine matlab six cousins. She has six cousins. Meine Großeltern means my grandparents. Großeltern, grandparents. So we have learned this. We are is era Eltern. हमने कल पढ़ा था. So Eltern means parents. Großeltern, grandparents.
Grandparents.
Meine Großeltern leben mit uns. matlab they stay with us.
Us.
So is it clear now? So
Yes.
very quick, you will read this out loudly.
Okay, ma'am. Große Familie.
Große Familie, correct.
Meine Family.
Meine Familie.
Meine Familie ist sehr groß.
Hmm.
Ich habe zwei
Habe.
Schwestern. Ich habe
Remember A auf Deutsch. Ich habe.
ich habe
Hmm. Ich habe. Weiter.
zwei,
Zwei.
zwei Schwestern,
Gut.
einen Bruder,
Gut.
drei Tanten,
Right.
drei Tanten,
Hmm.
einen Onkel
Hmm.
und sechs Cousins
Sechs Cousine.
und sechs Cousinen,
Cousins. Es tut mir leid.
Cousins.
Hmm.
Meine Großeltern
Hmm.
leben mit uns.
So leben is
Leben
synonym of wohnen, means to live. Both leben and wohnen is synonym. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So leben is to live, wohnen is to live. You can also say mein Großeltern wohnen mit uns. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And one more thing, Himanshi here, ma'am. I am seeing that students are not able to pronounce EI sound properly. So whenever it is DREI, you have to pronounce like I. Last wala. EI hai to I, dry. And if it's IE, then you will say E wala. Jaise, is there anything, suppose it's TANTE, TIE, then you will say tan टी. सो लास्ट में जो आ रहा है आई ई या ई आई तो वही प्रोनाउंस होगा. तो इट्स ड्राई में आई लास्ट में आ रहा है ई आई तो इट्स ड्राई.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So who's next? Guys, we need to be quick. Kleine Familie. Who's next? Okay, I'll choose. Haben wir Amit Bhatia mit uns? Tanten. Himanshi. हाँ. Tanten. अमित भाटिया है हमारे साथ. Do we have Bhaskar Saini? Amit Bhatia is with us, I guess. He has unmuted himself. Okay. Who else? Be quick, guys. We have lot to learn today.
I can say this.
Oh, okay. So, was bedeutet kleiner Familie? Klein means groß, klein. So opposite. Groß means big, klein means small. It's that easy. So kleiner Familie.
Kleine Familie.
Okay. Meine Familie ist sehr klein. Meine Familie ist sehr klein. Bedeutet, maybe you can understand it.
Meine Familie ist sehr klein. My family is very small.
Okay, sehr gut. Ich lebe zusammen mit meiner Mutter, Vater und meinem Bruder. Means I live together, zusammen, together, mit my mother, father and brother. So, ich lebe zusammen.
Ich lebe zusammen mit meiner Mutter, Vater und meinem Bruder.
Tanten oder Onkel habe ich nicht. Means those chachis and buas we don't have. So aunties and uncle we don't have.
Tanten, Oder, Onkel, Habe, Ich,
Nicht.
Nicht.
Meine
Meine Mutter ist Hausfrau.
Frau. Hausfrau.
Hausfrau und mein
Mein
Vater ist Kaufmann.
Okay. So, meine Familie ist sehr klein. My family is very small. Ich lebe zusammen mit meiner Mutter, Vater und meinem Bruder. Means my family is very small. I live together with my mom, dad and brother. Tanten oder Onkel habe ich nicht. Means aunties and uncle we don't have. Meine Mutter ist Hausfrau. Means my mother is housewife. And mein Vater ist Kaufmann. Means my father is businessman. Ist das klar? Haben Sie Fragen? Do you have any question? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else want to try this? It's very important because if you guys will not read this, it's very important. Very important to read. Anyone else want to try with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Hema Hussain here, ma'am.
Okay. Zusammen, Preeti. Zusammen means together. Zusammen. Ich gehe zusammen mit meinen Freunden. Means I go together with my friend. Amit Bhatia, you are late now. Yes, Hema. Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Kleine Familie. Meine Familie ist sehr
There.
klein. Ich lebe
Labor.
zusammen mit meiner
Minor.
Mutter, Vater,
Vater. Remember, yeah.
Vater und meinem Bruder, Tanten oder Onkel habe ich nicht. Meine Mutter ist Hausfrau und
Hausfrau. Remember Frau.
Okay.
Hausfrau.
Hausfrau.
House means your house.
Housewife.
Okay. Frau means your woman. So Hausfrau, housewife.
Okay.
In German, if my husband wanted to introduce me, he'll say, "Sie ist meine Frau." Means he's saying, she's my wife. Okay, but he's simply saying that "Sie ist Frau" means he's simply saying that she's a woman. So if he used this with meine Frau means he's saying that I am his wife. So Frau is also wife in German. So Hausfrau, housewife. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Und mein Vater ist Kaufmann. Kaufmann, businessman. Okay?
Fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So jetzt gehen wir weiter, ganz schnell. Ist das klar? Haben Sie Fragen? Do you have question? Is it clear?
I have a question.
Yes, please.
I could see कि my की spelling with mother it changes. मतलब as per gender, my changes. Like
Yes.
minor,
Yes.
mutter, and
it changes, and it is very. You'll learn it later. This is grammar. This is core grammar. It takes time to understand why my name. So there are three things in German, that's accusative, nominative, dative, and genitive. So it takes hell lot of time to understand this thing, which will comes with time on. You have to give time for this to understand this. Why minum, why minor, So yes, it is because
It's
female and male
basically,
thing. It is because of
yeah.
gender.
Yeah, because it's basically like संस्कृत, जैसे संस्कृत में भी conjugations होती है ना,
हम्म.
तो स्त्रीलिंग पुल्लिंग के साथ चेंज होता है, और हमारे
हिंदी
पास
में भी होती है ना.
हिंदी में तो मैम वो चेंज नहीं होता ना, मैं को मैं ही लिखते हैं,
हाँ.
मेरी या फिर मेरी मम्मी, मेरे पापा,
Yes.
तो मेरी फैमिली। बट यहाँ पे जैसे संस्कृत में हम वो करते ना अहम, और सब चेंज हो जाता था, तो वैसे इसमें भी कॉन्जुगेशंस जो एंडिंग है लास्ट की वो चेंज हो जाती हैं,
हो जाती.
यू नो।
In German, there are four variations, which is accusative, nominative, dative, and genitive. So I remember after 1 year, I was probably able to understand that. So you need time for that. That's okay. Yes, Neha, it is sort of masculine and feminine. You are absolutely correct, but it is because of nominative, dative, and accusative also, because of the conjugation. Likewise, Himanshi ma'am has explained. So she's right. It is as
Also
uh,
because of the first person, second person, and third person,
yes,
and the male and female.
male and female, yes, but conjugation is also playing its role in German language. But it's okay. We are reading it, we are able to understand it. That is also more important for us. Okay? Okay, can we move forward? Any other question, guys?
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yes.
Ma'am, please open last slide 20 number.
20 number. Okay. Grosser family, this one?
मैम जो हाँ जी लास्ट लाइन है मेनी ग्रोस
Minor gross Elton.
हाँ जी लेबन मिट अंस
Un.
व्हाट्स
Remember
मीनिंग ऑफ
u?
दिस यस
So, as I told you, that gross Elton means parents, gross means grandparents. Gross Elton. Minor gross Elton. My grandparents' Leben. Leben is synonym of wohnen, to live. Both means the same. Meine Großeltern leben mit uns. Means they stay with us. My grandparents stay with us.
okay ma'am thank you
Okay.
ji.
Okay. So any other ma'am Suzaman. Suzaman. Sneha, it's Suzaman. If you want, guys, unmute yourself and repeat with me. That would be better for you. Suzaman. Suzaman.
Suzamen.
Good.
Suzamin
Yes. Suzaman means together. So if you have pen and paper with you, I would request to please write it down. It would be good for your vocabulary. Okay. Ganz schnell, wir gehen weiter. Also, Familienmitglieder. Was bedeutet Familienmitglieder? Means family members. Write it down. Familienmitglieder. Anybody wants to pronounce with me? Anyone or everyone can unmute themselves. Familienmitglieder. Familienmitglieder.
Familien mit Ida.
Mitglieder. Okay.
Mitglieder
Yes.
Familienmitglieder.
Yes.
Is it glider?
Mitglieder. Okay. Let's just do this. Familien. First word. Mitglieder.
Familien.
Leader.
Leader.
Okay. Let's just join them. Familienmitglieder.
Familienmitglieder.
Yes. That's right. Familienmitglieder. So your family members.
Leader.
If I ask you, wie viel Familie Mitglieder haben Sie, means how many family members do you have? So you will understand. So you will say, ich habe fünf Mitglieder. You can say simply Mitglieder also. Mitglieder means members. Ich habe fünf Mitglieder, ich habe zwei Mitglieder, ich habe drei Mitglieder. So that way. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ich habe zum Beispiel, for example, ich habe, ich habe Mutter, Vater, Mann. So wir sind vier Mitglieder. Wir are four family members. Wir sind vier Mitglieder. So mein Mutter, mein Vater und mein Mann means my mother, my father and my husband. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Chameleon with leader.
sorry.
Family member. Chameleon with leader.
Leader, family members. I request all of you to please write it down. That's very important to write down. Okay, alles zusammen, all together. Okay, sehr gut. So we can start. Okay. So I'll say English word and you try to say German word. So brother, English brother is
Bruder.
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 Ich habe kein
Bruder.
Bruder. Ich habe kein Bruder. I don't have any brother. Ich habe kein Bruder. Okay. Next is cousin.
Cuisine.
Cousin. There.
Cousine.
So male cousin and
Cousin.
female cousin. Cousine.
Cousina.
Cousine.
Zina.
Cousine. Yes, that's correct. Okay. Next we have grandson.
Uncle.
Uncle. Good.
Uncle.
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 Uncle. Grandfather.
Uncle. Uncle.
Uncle.
So, as I explained, wife.
Frau.
Frau.
So, what is the difference? If my husband would introduce me, would say he is meine Frau. So the only difference is meine. If he's saying that he is meine Frau, means he's saying that she's my wife. But if he's only saying die ist eine Frau, means he's generally saying that she's a woman. Okay, so meine makes a difference. Okay, Frau in German, wife,
Oh.
but with meine.
Frau.
Okay, okay, grandmother,
Grossmutter.
What is the other
Mutter.
Großmutter,
Grossmutter.
Großmutter,
Grossmutter.
Mutter.
Motor.
Now onwards, no more mom, no more ma, no more mama, Mutter, Großmutter, no more dadi, so no more badi mummy, Großmutter. Am I clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I better?
Yeah.
So, Großmutter,
Grossmutter.
Großvater.
Grossvater.
So no more dadu, no more bade papa, Großvater.
Grossvater.
Großvater.
So what is the other name of Großmutter? Oma. Oma.
Uma.
Oma. Oma.
Upa.
Oma. Opa.
Opa.
Uma. Upa.
Oma. Opa. Okay. So, any questions, any doubts? We can go forward then.
There is a query.
Granddaughter.
Yes, yes, it's a query. Yes.
That DER and DIE along with brooder and cuisine. What's that?
They are articles.
Okay.
Articles. In German, there are 3 articles. There, these are. Likewise, in English, we have article, an apple, the book, a man. So in German, there are 3. Depends on the gender. So there, these, that. Okay.
Ma'am,
There is for man. D is for woman.
wife. Ma'am, one is Frau and second one I don't know how
A
to.
Frau.
What's
A
the
Frau.
next? A Frau.
A Frau. So both means the same. Sie ist mein Ehefrau. Sie ist a Frau. A man. So Frau and a Frau both are the same. You're introducing your wife.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So yes. Any other question, guys? We have to be a little quick.
No, ma'am.
Kindly pronounce
No, ma'am.
Yes. Enkelin. Enkelin.
Enkelin.
Okay. Was heißt Verwandte? Verwandte, please write down relative. Verwandte,
Verwandte.
Verwandte, no, it's Frau. Remember,
Verwandte.
relatives.
Okay, ma'am.
Relatives. So, if you wanted to introduce your relatives, if let's suppose you have a picture with you and you wanted to introduce your relative, you can do that. So that would be your next homework, but you have to perform this. Okay. So let's have some new students with us.
Uncle.
Uncle. Brother-in-law, like wife. Ich habe einen Bruder. Okay. Schwager. Schwager means brother-in-law.
Schwager.
Yes. Schwagerin.
Schwagerin.
Schwägerin.
Sister-in-law.
Schwester.
Sister. So first we'll say Schwester and then Tar. Schwester. Sehr gut. Okay. Sorry? Okay. So parents-in-law, Schwiegereltern. Ich bin verheiratet, like I'm married. I would say ich wohne mit meinen Schwiegereltern. Okay? Means I'm living with my in-laws, my parents-in-law. So I say ich wohne mit meinen Schwiegereltern. Schwiegermutter. Schwiegermutter means mother-in-law. Schwiegersohn, son-in-law. Schwiegertochter, daughter-in-law. Schwiegervater, father-in-law.
Schwiegermutter.
Schwiegersohn.
Schwiegertochter. Schwiegervater. मैम डॉटर इन लॉ को क्या बोलेंगे?
Schwiegertochter.
Schwiegertochter.
Okay, Schwiegertochter.
Schwiegervater.
Vater.
Father.
Vater.
Schwiegervater.
Vater.
Daughter.
Okay. Okay. Können wir weitergehen? Can we move forward? Where is das? What is das? Das is, okay, this is the family picture. As you can see, das is the Mutter. Mutter means mom. Das is their Vater, means father. Das is das Baby, means small baby. Das is die Schwester, means sister. Das is their Bruder. Das ist die Cousine. Das ist der Cousine. Und das ist die Katze, means if you have a pet, das ist der Hund. So if you have cat or dog as a family member. So in Germany, they have one with them. So das ist die Oma, means your, or the Großmutter means your grandmother. Das ist der Opa, means your grandfather. And das ist der uncle, means your uncle. Okay. So anybody wants to repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Das ist die Mutter.
Das ist die Mutter.
Das ist der Vater.
Das ist der Vater.
Das ist das Baby.
Das ist das Baby.
Das ist die Schwester.
Das ist
Das
die
ist
Schwester.
Schwester.
Das ist der Bruder.
Das ist
Das
der
ist
Bruder.
der Bruder.
Das ist die Cousine.
Das ist die Cousine.
Cousine.
Sehr gut. Das ist der
Das ist der
Okay. Das ist die Katze. Katze,
Das
cat.
ist die Katze.
Katze.
Katze, cat.
What is K-A-T-Z-E?
Katze, cat.
Katze.
Das ist die Oma.
Das ist die Oma.
Oma.
Oma, Oma,
Oma.
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 Oma, grandmother, grandfather, uncle or you can uncle.
Das ist der Onkel.
Das ist der Onkel.
Okay, ganz gut. Alles klar? Is it clear?
Ma'am, what is Verbinde?
So, this is the picture. Picture. Okay. Zusammenfassung, Confusion. So, ich bin Suniti Bhatia, ich bin 29 Jahre alt. Ich wohne mit meiner Familie, means I live with my family. Ich habe eine kleine Familie, means I have a small family. Ich wohne mit meinem Mann und meiner Schwiegereltern, means I have a family. I have a small family. So for today you can add I have a small family, or maybe you have a big family. And ich wohne mit meinem Mann, meinen Schwiegereltern, means I live with my husband and my parents-in-law. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So your homework is, what is your homework for this? And you have to do it. Today I was little disappointed, but किसी ने मुझे कुछ भेजा and I was overwhelmed. I was very happy. So I think I'm going on right track. But everybody should at least practice. That is very important. If you're not completing your homework, that's okay. If you're only practicing at home, that is also okay. But practice is very important, and that would be great if I would get to know that you are practicing. Because once you send anything to me, that means you guys are practicing at home. So that is very important too for me also. Okay. 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 Kind problem. So third chapter is about to start. Herzlich willkommen. So, was heißt das? Traumberuf und Hobbys? Traumberuf und Hobbys.
Beruf and hobbies.
What is Traumberuf? Means your dream job. If you're a student, if you're not working right now, so you must have some ambition in your life, some goals in your life. So Traumberuf and your hobbies. So today we'll learn about your dream job, or maybe you are currently doing something, or about, and we will learn about hobbies. What you do in your free time. Okay. So anybody wants to help me? Of course, yes. Answer is yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are Vidhi.
No, ma'am, I am Vidhi.
Okay.
No, ma'am, I'm Vasundhara.
Okay, Vasundhara. Okay, Vasundhara. So, Kamal is 13 Jahre alt. Means
Kamal is 13 years old.
yes, correct. Kamal ist 13 Jahre alt. Sein Vater ist Arzt und seine Mutter ist Hausfrau. Means what? Means her father is doctor and her mother is housewife. Sie haben ein Haus in Lajpat Nagar. So she has a home in Lajpat Nagar. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to repeat?
Yes.
We have only one male contender with us, right? Okay, kein Problem. So anyone can try this.
May I? May I?
Yes. Yes, please.
Kamal
Kamal.
is Dreisen Jahre
Jahre.
alt.
Alt. Remember
Alt. Sein Vater is
Sein Vater means
Sein
her
Vater.
father. If you
Okay.
wanted to talk about third person, sein Vater.
Okay. Sein Vater ist Arzt und seine Mutter ist Hausfrau.
What does it mean?
Ma'am, my father is doctor and my mother is housewife.
So her father is doctor. Your sein means her. You're talking about
Yes.
third person.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Her
sein
father is
doctor. Yes.
and her mother is housewife.
Okay. Next, Sie haben
Sie haben ein Haus in Lajpat Nagar.
Sie haben ein Haus in Lajpat Nagar.
She lives in Lajpat Nagar.
She has a home in Lajpat Nagar.
She has
Ein means she owns a. Ein means one, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Ein. So ein is also an unbestimmt article. So Likewise, she owns a home in Lajpat Nagar. Likewise, I say I owns a home in Faridabad. So that a is ein in German. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Die haben ein Haus. Haben means ich
Have.
habe,
She has.
she have. So is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Um,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Preeti, it's Traumberuf. Traumberuf, your dream job. You have some goals in your life, for example. Likewise, everybody. When I was I was a teenager. I have some dreams. So that's Traumberuf. Traum means dream. Beruf means job. Traumberuf means dream job. Okay, Preeti. Hmm. So next, who is going to describe the second one with me? Who is
Ma'am,
going
I'd
to?
like to.
Okay, okay, okay. Frau Farah Ahmed is Sekretärin. मतलब
Frau Farah ist
Frau
Sekretärin.
Farah Ahmed is Sekretärin.
Frau Farah Ahmed ist Sekretärin.
Ihr Mann ist Kaufmann.
Ihr Mann ist Kaufmann.
Sie hat eine Schwester und einen Bruder.
Sie hat eine Schwester und einen Bruder.
So, what does it mean? Means you're talking about Farah Ahmed, okay? You're saying that Farah Ahmed is a secretary, okay? Fine. So her man is Kaufmann. Sie hat eine Schwester. She has a sister and brother. So Frau Farah Ahmed means in German they use this uh, Frau for women. So if you're talking about if you wanted to describe about any female, so you say Frau Farah Ahmed ist ein Sekretärin means Frau Farah Ahmed she is a secretary. Okay, so they are talking about what she is currently doing. Okay, so ihr Mann ist Kaufmann, so her husband is Kaufmann. Sie hat eine Schwester, she has a sister and a brother und einen Bruder. Clear? Secretarian is secretary, female secretary. So likewise in English, likewise I'm a teacher. I would say so you would say she is a teacher. Okay, for a female use she and for male use he. Okay, but in German, as per gender, there's in in the last. For example, I want to say he is Ärztin means I'm talking about female doctor. Arts is doctor, and if someone is female doctor, then Ärztin. Okay, Sonal, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, who is going to help me?
Ma'am, I'd like to. Vidhi.
Vidhi, please go ahead. Third one.
Okay. Ich bin 21 Jahre alt.
Hmm?
Mein Vater ist Rechtsanwalt.
Mein Vater is Rechtsanwalt, lawyer.
Rechtsanwalt.
Recht, let's take this word. Recht,
Rechtsanwalt.
Rechtsanwalt.
Mein Vater ist Rechtsanwalt.
Hmm?
Ich habe kein Geschwister.
So in German, Geschwister means your siblings.
Okay.
So, ich habe keine Geschwister. If someone is the only child, if you are only child, so you say
Yes.
ich habe keine Geschwister. Means I don't have any sibling. Okay?
Okay.
Hmm.
Ich studiere
Mathematik
Mathematik
und Geschichte.
und
Geschichte.
Geschichte.
So, mathematics and psychology.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
So, okay, let me explain for everyone. Ich bin 21 Jahre alt. I am 21 years old. Mein Vater ist Rechtsanwalt. My father is lawyer. Ich habe keine Geschwister. I don't have any sibling. Ich studiere Mathematik und Geschichte. I'm learning, currently learning maths and psychology.
Ma'am, could you pronounce psychology once more?
Geschichte. Geschichte.
Geschichte. Okay.
Okay? Okay, next. Und du, wie alt bist du? Hast du Geschwister? Means she's asking, and you, how old are you? Do you have siblings? So, if you wanted to ask in German, haben Sie Geschwister? Means do you have sisters? Siblings, sorry, do you have siblings? So, Kaina is no, I don't. Kaina is I don't. Preeti, Kaina is I don't. Zum Beispiel, I wanted, for example, I want if they say ich habe kein Handy, means I don't have mobile. Ich habe kein book, I don't have book. So kein means I don't. It's a negative sentence. Kein, I don't. Ich habe keine Ahnung, I don't have any idea. Ich habe keine Ahnung, I don't have any idea. Ich habe Ahnung, I have an idea. Habe, I have. Ich habe keine Ahnung, I don't. Okay, is it clear?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
Ma'am, can you pronounce lawyer once again?
Recht,
Zest,
an,
Wald.
Recht, Wald. Wald
Recht.
means Wald. Remember,
Wald.
A,
Wald.
Recht, Wald.
Zest and Wald.
That's good. There. Okay. Is it clear now? Any other question? All questions are welcome. Or to move forward. We have time. Please write I don't. Please repeat last conversation. Ich habe keine Ahnung. So this way you learn another phrase. Please write this down. Ich habe keine Ahnung means I don't have any idea. Ich habe keine Ahnung. Anybody wants to repeat with me? Ich habe keine Ahnung.
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 Okay. Ich habe keine Ahnung.
Ahnung.
Good. Ich habe keine Ahnung. I don't have any idea.
Ich habe keine Ahnung.
Means if you don't know anything, okay, from now onwards, if your mom asks something to you, if anyone is asking something to you, if you don't know about it, Ich habe keine Ahnung. Simply. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Auf Deutsch. Nur auf Deutsch. Immer auf Deutsch. Always in German. Okay. Again, weiter. Okay. So what is this? So, architect, they are architect, auto mechanic, automechaniker, baker, baker. Okay, Preeti, I'm sorry. Last conversation. Yes, last conversation. मैंने बताया था. Still, I'll repeat. So, in last में they are asking und du means und du. Likewise, they have described about everyone, and now they wanted to understand about other. Und du, wie alt bist du? Wie alt bist du means how old are you? Hast du Geschwister? So, the meaning of Geschwister is sibling. Meaning of Geschwister is sibling. So, do you have sibling? That is Preeti. Preeti.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Preeti. If you want, you can repeat with me.
Okay,
Preeti
ma'am.
Yadav. Preeti Yadav. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Preeti.
And do.
Und du?
And do. We all the best do.
Wie alt bist du? Not old. Not old. No more English. Only German. For 5 days, only German. Wie alt bist du?
We all best do.
Hast du Geschwister?
Hast du Geschwister?
Means do you have siblings?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome, Preeti. You're very sweet. Okay. Okay. Can we move forward now? Arpana is helping Aditi. Okay, Arpana. Thank you so much for helping me. But that's really good. Okay. So there are so many berufs, jobs. So with this, you might be able to explain your job profile, maybe architect, automechaniker, baker, bank teller, mauer, busfahrer. I hope no one is a programmierer, programmierin. So, okay, I'll repeat once again. Architect, English, der Architect, Deutsch. Der Architect, the architect. So, there are some profiles which don't have their female, feminine version. Okay. Automechaniker, der automechanic, automechaniker. Baker, der Baker. Okay, bank teller, bank Angestellter. Bank, okay, let's divide this. Bank, in German, bank is Bank. Remember, A. Okay, okay, Preeti, Programmier, okay, sehr gut. Programmierin, because you are a female. Okay. Do you have any Bank Angestellter? So, bank is Bank, Angestellter. Bank Angestellter, bank teller. So, so, their mother, who help us in building works, their mother, Busfahrer, their bus driver, Busfahrer. Fahrer is driver basically. So, um, any other example? Autofahrer, for example. Like someone who drives auto is Autofahrer. Someone who drives bus is Busfahrer. Okay, computer programmer, der Programmer, die Programmerin. Okay, Programmerin, something, Lehrerin. So, cook or chef, der Koch. Der Koch. So that sound should come from your throat. Koch. Der Koch.
Der Koch.
Yes. Die Kochin. Die Kochin. Der Chefkoch, der Chefkochin. Okay. So der Ärzte, die Ärztin. Der Arzt, die Ärztin.
Der Ärzte.
Anybody wants to try with me? I'm sorry. I didn't
Ma'am,
ask
I
for.
want to speak.
Yes, please. With this Josh only.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Der Koch,
Hmm.
der Chief Cook,
Der Chefkoch.
Chef Cook,
Hmm.
Die
Die Kochin.
Die Kochin, die Chef Kochin,
Hmm.
der
Air.
Air
Air of
Air.
English. Arzt.
Erst Die
Ärztin. Ärztin.
as in
Okay.
der
Okay. Do one thing. Okay. Guys, do one thing. This will take little bit time. And we don't have that much time. So what we do, you try this at home, and I'll send a video for this also. But
Okay.
before that, I'll explain everything. Okay? I'll
Okay,
explain
ma'am.
because I don't want to miss any topic. We don't have too much time, and I don't want to miss any topic. And tomorrow you have a very important class. So for tomorrow I cannot leave anything. Tomorrow you have class with a special guest. Okay. Okay. So, cabinet maker, joiner, they are Tischler, journalist, of course, they are journalist. Journalist, why journalist? Because yacht. Start with yacht. Journalist, journalist. Musician, they are musiker. They are musiker.
Der Musiker.
Anybody wants to pronounce journalist?
Journalist.
Journalist. Why it is journalist?
Yacht.
Yacht.
Because
Yacht.
of yacht.
Yes.
Journalist.
Yes. That's my class. Okay. So, Nurse, Krankenpfleger. Krankenpfleger. Oder Krankenschwester. So, what is Krankenpfleger? There is a small, very small difference. What is that difference? Pfleger who look after, krank means someone is not well, and Pfleger means who look after them. Okay, so someone who look after patient is Krankenpfleger, and their Krankenpfleger is the male one. Okay, the Krankenschwester means nurse, sister. Simple. Okay, Krankenpfleger, Krankenschwester.
Krankenpfleger, Krankenschwester.
Okay, let me. Guys, screen is coming, right?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. It is because of my fault. यार एक मिनट मेरी हेल्प करना, ये स्क्रीन चली गई है. Okay, es tut mir leid. I'm sorry. Okay, photographer, der Fotograf, die Fotografin. Tut mir leid. Der Sekretär, die Sekretärin. Means secretary, female and male secretary. Der Schüler, for example, I guess Preeti we have with us. She must be in school. Preeti, are you in school?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Preeti. So you are Schülerin. What are you?
Schülerin.
Schülerin. Okay. I hope there is no Schüler with us. If we have
No,
an
ma'am. I am.
Schülerin.
Yes, ma'am.
Frau Schülerin. Okay, that's good. Okay. Taxi driver. Again. So someone who Fahrer means driver. We have learned bus Fahrer. Someone who drives bus. Someone who drives auto is auto Fahrer. Someone who drives taxi is taxi Fahrer. Okay.
Ma'am, it's not taxi.
Taxi Fahrer. Yes. It tut mir leid. Not yet. Okay. So Taxifahrer, Teacher, der Lehrer, male and the Lehrerin. Beispiel, ich bin Lehrerin. Okay? Ich bin, was bin ich? Ich bin Lehrerin.
Lehrerin.
Lehrerin. Okay? Okay, someone who is a truck driver, lorry driver is Fanfahrer. Okay, waiter, waitress. We have in restaurants. You have seen their Keller, the Kellerin. Their Keller, the Kellerin.
N is silent, ma'am.
Sorry.
N is it silent in Keller?
Kellner. No, it's Kellner, Kellnerin. Okay. Then Worker labor, their Arbeiter, the Arbeiterin. Arbeiter. Arbeit means job. Arbeiter is a worker. Arbeiterin is a female worker. So, the apotheker, someone who owns a chemist. Okay. Architect is done. Waiter is done. Shankar, detective. Someone detective, detective in electriker. Fahrlehrer means your the person who teach driving. Flugbegleiter, Flugbegleiterin means your air hostess. Okay. Frisor, Javed Habib is Frisor. Und we have Handwerker, Handwerkerin, uh, like
Ma'am,
handwerk.
plumber.
No, it's not plumber. I'll get. No, it's not plumber. I guess I'll check. I'll check this. So, someone who provides information, informatiker, informatikerin, maybe okay. Engineer, captain, Kellner, Naisar. Their Kazier, Kazierin, receptionist. Their cook, Kokin, again, the cook. Krankenpfleger, Künstler, painter, Künstler. Flatbread is farmer. Lehrerin, teacher. Musiker, musikerin, again, musician. Pilot, politiker, Polizei, pilot, politician, police, professor, professorin, programmer, programmerin,
Projector.
Psychiater.
Yeah.
psychiater, psychiaterin, psychological doctor, you can say, reporter, reporterin,
Richter.
Richter, judge, Schauspieler, Schauspieler, actor, Schauspielerin, actress. We have Schreiner, your someone who works with wood.
Carpenter.
Secretary, again, Verkaufer, Verkauferin, businessman, business woman. So, now, question is, was sind Sie von Beruf? Was machen Sie? For example, was mache ich? Ich bin Lehrerin. Was mache ich? Ich bin Lehrerin. Ich bin Lehrerin von Beruf. Both are okay. I'm saying, was sind Sie von Beruf? If you wanted to ask someone what you do, was machen Sie? If you wanted to ask someone, was sind Sie von Beruf? Was machen Sie? Ich bin Lehrerin von Beruf. I am a teacher by profession. If you literally translate this, I am a teacher by profession. Is it clear?
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, let me check
Yes.
that. बस is ear a crown barrow. मतलब if you have any dream job, was möchten Sie werden? For example, if I wanted to talk about me, ich möchte Sozialarbeiterin werden. Means I wanted to become a social worker. That's my dream job. So
Ma'am, could you pronounce it again?
Sozialarbeiterin. 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 Ich möchte Sozialarbeiterin werden. Preeti, where is Preeti? Small Preeti. Small Preeti, where are you? Kleiner Preeti.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi Preeti, was möchten Sie werden? Ich möchte.
Ich möchte
What do you want to become?
IAS officer.
Oh my God. Okay, IS Officerin werden. Das kann man sagen. Ich möchte
Ich möchte
IAS Officerin
IAS officerin
werden.
werden.
Okay, thank you, Preeti. Vielen Dank. Anyone else?
What is werden?
Werden is to become. Anybody else want to try this? Maybe want to answer this.
Yes, ma'am.
Was sind Sie von Beruf? Was machen Sie? For example, our Saina Preeti is eine Schülerin, but she is not by profession. So we can't say von Beruf in after Schülerin. That's not her profession, but that's what she do. Ich bin eine Schülerin. So that's. But if you are doing something, if you own a profession, then you can use von Beruf. Zum Beispiel, ich bin Lehrerin von Beruf. So, and there was someone who wanted to try. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Me.
Yes.
Ich möchte
Möchte. Huh?
Stockbroker.
Stockbroker werden. Stockbroker, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Anyone else? So now we are learning about hobbies. We are learning about hobbies. So I read it for you once. Horse riding, reiten, reading, lesen, painting, malen, dancing, tanzen, going to cinema, ins Kino gehen, swimming, schwimmen, writing, schreiben. Just one or two example very quickly. Ich mache gerne tanzen. For example, I like to do dance. Okay. Ich mache gerne lesen. Means I like to do reading. Okay. lesen oder tanzen. Reiten, lesen, malen, tanzen, ins Kino gehen. Ins Kino gehen, going to cinema. Schwimmen und schreiben. Okay. For example, people like me love to catch up with friends. Mit Freunde treffen. Traveling means reisen. Fishing means angel. Doing sports means sport machen. It's very easy. Doing sports. Doing something is machen. Sport is sport. Sport doing sport. Im Internet surfen means to surf on internet. Singen, singing. Cooking, kochen. Cooking, kochen. So these are some possessive pronomen. Okay. Ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, sie. Then their possessive form, mein, dein, sein, ihr, unser, euer, ihr. And we have the English pronunciation also. Mine, yours, his, hers, it's, ours, yours, theirs, and yours. So, if so many ways to talk about yourself and about others. So, if anyone would like to help me, that would be great. Otherwise, I will explain this.
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Yes. Anyone?
Okay, Vasundhara, you go for it.
Okay.
Was sind deine Hobbys? Means what I wanted to ask, what is your hobbies? Was sind deine Hobbys? Is it clear?
Was sind deine Hobbys?
So what hobby you might understand, it's very clear. You are talking about your free time routine or your hobbies. In English, hobby is hobby. Okay. Was sind deine Interessen? Matlab, you're talking about what do you find interesting? Was sind deine Interessen? Mein Hobbys sind Schwimmen und ins Kino gehen. If I wanted to explain about my hobbies, for example, if I talk about me, mein Hobbys sind Lesen. So meine Hobbys sind Schwimmen und ins Kino gehen. Means he love to do swimming and love to watch movie. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
As pictures above are also describing. So in Kino gehen, they are sitting in the theater. And Schwimmen means they are swimming. Okay.
Ma'am, Kino gehen.
Kino gehen, yes. Gehen means to go. Kino
Okay.
is cinema. Picture hall. So, ich mag auch schwimmen. Next person is saying, mag means like. I also like swimming. Was ist dein Lieblingshobby? What is your favorite hobby? Lieblings, मैंने बताया था ना favorite. Anything which is favorite is Lieblings. Lieblingsfarbe, Lieblingsschauspieler. So, Lieblingshobby. What is your favorite hobby? Mein Lieblingshobby is Tanzen. Yes, that is my Lieblingshobby. Yes, it is one of my favorite. If I feel stressed, if I'm in stress, or then I dance. I simply dance. Okay, mein Lieblingshobby is Tanzen. Ich tanze dreimal pro Woche. Means I'm saying I dance 3 times a week. Pro Woche, per week. Is it clear? Or should I repeat?
Ma'am, last sentence after
Okay.
Tanzan.
Okay. Mein Lieblingshobby is Tanzen. Okay, my favorite hobby is Tanzen. Ich tanze means Tanzen is the verb. Okay, ich tanze dreimal pro Woche. Ich tanze means I dance 3 times a week.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Das ist ganz gleich. It's almost similar. Was sind Ihre Hobbys, deine Hobbys? What's your hobbies? Ich lese gerne. I love to read. Ich lese gerne means I like to. Gerne means if I'm talking about gerne, if I'm using this word gerne, means I'm talking that I'm liking something. Ich fliege gerne means I love to go to Germany. Ich fliege gerne Deutschland. So something I am talking about my liking. So this is the second method to explain about your likings or disliking. Okay, I like reading and painting. So ich lese gerne und auch malen. I like painting and reading. Okay. So, was machen Sie in Freizeit? Again, another way to explain Freizeit. Please write it down. Freizeit means your free time. Was machen Sie in Freizeit? What you do in your free time? साथ में उसकी English translation भी लिखी हुई है. What you do in your free time? Also, ich koche gerne in Freizeit. Ich koche gerne means I like to do cooking in my free time. As it is lockdown, everyone is doing this. Everyone is cooking something or the other. So, ich koche gerne in Freizeit. I love to do cooking in my free time. Freizeit, free time. Freizeit, free time. Okay. So, maybe next slide is Zusammenfassung. Okay, yes. So, Zusammenfassung. Till now, what we have learned, ich bin Suniti Bhatia. Ich bin 29 Jahre alt. Ich bin verheiratet, means I'm married. If you wanted to say you're not married, you will say ledish. I'll write in the group. Okay. Ich komme aus Indien. I am from India. Ich wohne mit meiner kleinen Familie in Faridabad. Means I'll stay with my small family in Faridabad. Ich bin Lehrerin von Beruf. As you know, you have learned about profession. I am a teacher by profession. Mein Hobbys sind Tanzen, Lesen und Kaufen. So obviously, Kaufen means to shopping. To shop, kaufen. So obviously I'm a girl, I love shopping, I love dancing, and I love reading. I love reading these days. Mein Lieblingsfarbe is rosa. Means my favorite color is pink. Any doubt till now, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll quickly wind up the class.